In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dynamic pages on your Wix website. If you're looking to create a website that's organized, streamlined, and interactive, dynamic pages are the way to go. To get started, first, you'll want to head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, select the website you'd like to work on. This will take you to your dashboard where you can manage your site settings. Now click on Edit Site to open up the Wix editor. This place is going to be the control center where you manage your pages, content, and design. Next, we're going to create something called a database collection. Think of this as a virtual library where all your content, like products, blog posts, or properties, is stored and organized. In the left sidebar, click on Content Manager or Database and then select New Collection. Give your collection a meaningful name, such as products, blog posts, or whatever type of content you're dealing with. Don't forget to add fields to your collection. These fields might include a title, image, description, or price, depending on what you want to display on your website. Now let's move on to adding a dynamic page. To do this, click on Add, then Page, and select Dynamic Page. You'll see an option to connect to data. Click that and link it to the database collection you've just created. By doing this, Wix will automatically set up a dynamic page template showing how items from your collection will appear, along with individual item pages for each entry in that collection. Once your dynamic pages are set up, it's time to connect your page elements to your database. Click on any text, image, or button within the dynamic page. Then click Connect to Data, choosing the relevant field from your database collection. For example, you might connect a text box to the title field and an image element to the image field, creating a coherent and dynamic presentation. For those who want to display multiple items simultaneously, consider adding a repeater or gallery. A repeater will allow you to list several items and connect this list directly to your database collection. This way, when visitors click an item, it will take them to a dynamic page with more information about that specific entry. Of course, you'll want to customize how these pages look, so use the Wix editor to adjust the layout and design of your dynamic page template. This includes altering fonts, colors, button styles, spacing, and even designing the header and footer. The great thing about dynamic pages is that these changes will automatically apply to all items within your collection, ensuring consistency throughout. Finally, before you go live, it's crucial to preview your work. Click Preview to see the dynamic pages in action. Navigate through the site by clicking on various items and ensuring they lead to the appropriate pages. Once you're satisfied with everything, hit Publish to make your dynamic pages available to visitors. And just like that, your Wix website is more interactive and organized thanks to dynamic pages.